there, Bluebird.
Hey there, chickadee-dee-dee.
It's a busy time of year for us birds. Spring is on the way. That means we need to make our nests to keep our eggs safe.
To lay our eggs?
Bluebird, what are you? Some kind of whippoorwill?
Whippoorwill!
Inside bird joke. Whippoorwills are the laziest birds. They don't even make a nest. They just lay those eggs right on the forest floor, like this.
Not us. The chickadee and the bluebird, we spend a lot more time creating a nice habitat for our eggs.
Chickadee-dee-dee.
We'll find a nice pre-existing hole from a woodpecker.
Or we love those birdhouses you leave out for us. We're great candidates for those. Then we make leaves and grasses and we weave it all together into a perfect nest for our babies.
Birds' nests, they sure look a lot different depending on the species of birds. Check out the eagle nest.
Eagles use sticks and it's a very structured habitat.
The magpies, they use grasses, twigs, and mud. Beautiful nest.
They even are known to use pine needles sometimes. And finally, how about those little thieves, the cowbirds?
Oh,
they don't even make their own nests. They steal nests from other birds. I wonder what kind of a nest you're gonna make. Chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. Now that we've collected materials, with some help from our bird friends, we're gonna make our own nests.
We'll use our found nature objects and a hot glue gun. Kids, if you're going to use a glue gun, make sure you have adult permission and supervision.
If you don't have a glue gun, you could try other materials to bind things together, like some string, or see if you can just get it to fit kind of like a puzzle, maybe even different kinds of glue. Let us know how it goes. Are you ready to nest?
Well, let's nest.
I made my nest using my found objects and the hot glue gun, and I like it. It's so cute. I'm gonna put a little egg inside of it.
Egg. I went with a more traditional bird's nest. Didn't use the glue gun at all. Had some sticks and grasses and dry leaves, and then used some of this twine to bind it all together, kind of like a bird might use if it found a piece of twine. Egg.
Enjoy your nest making. Thanks to Stella and Ashley for this fun found object nest idea.
It was relaxing.
I can't make my own hole, so I like to find a hole that a woodpecker left and build my nest in there. Bluebird, this is my close-up.